Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Xbox Game Pass for free. So this works in 2026. So what we have to do is get on the browser and just go to ogsnags.com. So let me just type that in right here. So it's ogsnags.com. And what this is it's just a coupon site with a lot of crazy coupons. So I'm in the site right now. So what I'm going to do is go in the search bar and type in Xbox. And as you can see, it says free Xbox Game Pass. So you can see it says this will expire in 2 days. 37 people used it today. So I'm going to press the button that says show coupon code and it's going to generate. So you can see it says checking amount of coupons left. So anyway, once it loads up, the next thing is you can see it says your coupon code is ready. So we're going to go ahead and press get full code. And now it's going to take us over here to the last step. So as you can see, it says missing files, additional files are required. So what you have to do is download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions 100% for free. So for instance, we have Family Islands, which says we have to reach level 10. So that is a game, so I could do that. Or we could do Lucky Match, which says we have to reach level 13. Or we could do Mode Casino or DraftKings Casino or Travel Town. So there's lots of apps to choose from, but just make sure you download 2 of them, guys, and then you will have the code sent to you. And then you can put that code in and get the Xbox Game Pass for free. So let me just type in Xbox Game Pass cost. And as you can see, it's going to be around $30 a month, it looks like, which is insane, bro. So if that interests you, then by all means, go ahead and pay it. But personally, I'm not really involved in the payment scene, so I'd rather get it for free. So in that case, go to ogsnags.com and you can get it for free. So it's really cool. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, just make sure you do the verification. But yeah, this is so cool, guys. So it actually works. You can see all the apps here. So just pick 2 of them and you're going to be all good to go. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you go to settings and keep your background refresh turned on. Very important. But other than that, you should be all good. Just make sure you're on the right website, ogsnags.com, and you're going to be all set. So yeah, this is really cool, guys, and it totally works.